let's face it, JaVale's still a young player who was a late bloomer. He didn't play much his freshman year in college. We drafted him after his first full year, really, of playing. And he's coming along. I see he's made very, very good strides. He's put on about 7-8 pounds of muscle this summer. He's slowed his game down a little bit. He's letting the game come to him. His stamina has been much better. I think his confidence level has gone up because of, like you said, being invited to play with USA Basketball and playing against those kind of players. He had an outstanding summer league for us, and now he has to translate that into the regular season. Consistency is going to be very important. He's doing a better job of rebounding on the defensive end. Obviously, he runs the floor extremely well. He's developing some nice low post moves. He's always been an outstanding offensive rebounder. So we've seen real good progress from him. And let's not forget, he's just barely 23 years old.